welcome back to my channel. Today we have TestTube Beauty Box by NewBeauty. If you are new to my channel, towards the end of the video I like to review the products after a 5-day trial. This particular box tends to be skincare heavy, so there's no makeup for me to try on usually during those 5 days. But I do like to try out the products for at least 5 days. Not that you have the long-term results, but for those of us with sensitive skin, 5 days is usually all you need to know if it's going to do well with your skin or not. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so of course the first thing, the products in the box usually fill the box, so not everything fits into it. But anyways, the first thing we got here is the pamphlet. If you've not seen the pamphlet before, it has all the products inside. It shows you a big list there. Of course, I'm not ashamed of spoilers on this channel. But you go through it, and we're just gonna pick one so I can show you this. So on this, you have the products, and then it shows you some information about the products as well as the price and the code and all of that stuff. So let's go ahead and look at the products inside. Alright, the first product we have here is Body Squeeze It. It's a cheeky take on skincare. This citrus sheet mask cares for the skin on your behind by brightening, hydrating, and plumping. Okay, so I don't really know how I feel about this, to be quite honest, because I've never used anything like this. Sheet mask on your butt, I don't know. That it just seems weird. 15 minutes of this on your butt. Do you sit on your butt? Do you walk around for 15 minutes? I don't really know. Next we have Soon Skincare Face Mask Trio. A holy trinity of firming and hydrating sheet mask that transforms skin in less than 20 minutes thanks to powerhouse ingredients like niacin, I can't pronounce that, and hyaluronic acid. So, yes, 3 masks here, and these feel pretty serious. So, yeah, I don't know what else to say about it. I mean, they feel pretty serious. This feels thick, it feels heavy. So, you know, of course, the instructions on the back. So it looks like it's 2 pieces. This one is 1. So I think that there's like 3. Is it 3 different ones here? Yeah, there's 3 different ones here. And you got the biocellular firming face mask, and then the micro poly hydrogel mask, and then the biocellulose anti-aging face mask. So there are 3 different kinds, and I guess I'll try to use them all up in a week. I don't know. I kind of, you know, when they're too expensive, I'm like a little afraid to use them all up in the week. I kind of want to enjoy it and spread it out, but we'll see. Next we have a Super Smile New Generation 45-degree toothbrush and extra whitening system. Okay, so I probably won't open this toothbrush just because I have a toothbrush that I'm using, but I might use this later because it's a toothbrush. But then we've got these whitening things here. Was it whitening excellular and whitening toothpaste? So I'm not really sure how you use this together. Let's see. It looks like you use both of them like toothpaste. Okay, so I don't know what else to say about that. But yeah, I'll give it a try. I keep using whitening toothpaste. I'm kind of wondering if my teeth are kind of yellow and dingy. I don't know. It might be the background. I don't know. Anyways, so I'm going to try these out and see if they whiten my teeth any. Next we have Renee Future, I don't know. Styling Vertical, I don't know. Is that even a real word? Vegetol? I don't know. Texture Spray. A lightweight dry styling spray with vitamin B5 that gives new life to tired tresses without leaving behind residue. Okay, so I don't really use hairspray. I don't think this is for hairspray. I think it's really just to kind of give your hair volume. texture. I mean, I guess this is texture sprays. So yeah, I'll give it a try. We'll see if it does anything special to my hair. Next we have a Naturally G4U, okay, Instant Eye Repair Serum. A super hydrating serum that targets the skin below the lower lids to restore lost volume. I can totally get down with that. So there is that. You can kind of see it. I don't think you could see it before because the way the light was hitting it, but there you go. It's kind of a milky clear gel, and I do need this. One of the few signs of aging that bothers me is the lack of fullness under my eyes and the dark circles. You know, it's funny because like I don't really show a lot of signs of aging, so I don't really get upset if I have a wrinkle, which I don't think I really do, but dark circles bother me, so I like this. I hope this does a trick. We'll see how it does. Next we have 10 Plus Free Nail Color, a hyper clean, long wearing polish packed with natural ingredients and peptides for beautiful pigments. So you guys know I absolutely do not wear nail polish, but this is non-toxic, vegan, and cruelty free, so I will not be reviewing this because, again, I just don't ever use nail polish. It's a waste of product for me. So I will be putting this aside, and this will definitely be going into the next giveaway. Next we have Free Protect Me, a moisturizer meets sunscreen meets antioxidant. This lightweight cream defends against UV rays, free radical damage, and dryness. So yes, because I use sunscreen and I use moisturizer, so this I'm excited about. It has an SPF of 30. Let's see what it smells like, because that's important. Okay, it doesn't really have a sunscreen smell. Maybe a light citrusy smell. I'm not really sure, but it smells good. I like it. Really excited about this. Last thing in the box is Colloidal Pore White Cake Pack, a radiance boosting facial in a jar that delivers deep hydration, purges pores, and exfoliates with the help of fruit enzymes and Amazon clay. Okay, so I'm a little bit confused if this is a washing thing or if it's like a mask thing. Let me see if it says anything on here. Apply evenly to skin, dry face, leave on for 10-15 minutes. So it is like a mask, and it feels different. Look at that. It's not like a clay either. It's like I'm like sticking my finger in it because I want to see what it feels like, and it's like bouncy. So that's, see, it's not even, I have to really press on it to get that. See, pressing. Now I got a fingerprint. Anyways, that is interesting. All kinds of mixed feelings, but we will definitely see. But before I go any further, I forgot to mention my honorable mentions from the last box at the beginning of this video because I don't know where my mind's at. So I'm going to go ahead and mention right now what I think were the best products of the last box. The first thing is this scalp shampoo by Vita Bird, I don't know, C12, the shampoo. I used it like crazy. I am one of those people that like to wash their hair just about every day, even though you're not supposed to. I do because I just don't like the way it feels if I don't. And I absolutely love the shampoo. It's very gentle. It didn't feel like it stripped my natural oils or anything, and it lasts forever. So this is a really, really good shampoo. Definitely suggest that one. The other thing that I would say is a huge honorable mention of the last one would be the Refresh Skin Therapy Fruit Acid gel pill this year, because this is honestly, like, I wasn't a huge believer in pills before because like they just didn't really do much for me. But this one, I noticed a huge difference, as well as I noticed my pores actually shrinking, which I don't normally notice instant shrinking of my pores. So that was a huge win for me. So those are my two honorable mentions from the last box. So now I'm going to go try all these products, except for the nail polish, obviously, for the next 5 days, and I will come back and give you a full review on what I think of the products. Alright, so it has been longer than 5 days, and I have tried everything out. I have caught a lovely cold. You can see my nose is red. And I have a fever, so I'm contagious, and I'm quarantined right now. But anyways, we're going to go ahead and get into the products that were in this test tube and discuss them. So the first thing we got going on here was this butt mask. As you can see, I used it. I don't know if it did anything. I think that this product was kind of a waste for me. Now, if you're a beach goer and you're out a lot, and this is probably a wonderful product for you, but for me personally, this was not a great product for me because I don't know that it even did anything. So next we have the masks, the face masks by Assume. That's it. And I used all of them because, like I said, it's been more than 3 days. It's actually been like 9, I think. I don't know. But anyways, I've got the 3 sheet masks, used them, and they were lovely. I enjoyed every one of them. They were all very different, and I did enjoy them. So this was a yes. I did not use the nail polish, so that's going into the giveaway, next giveaway. And I did not use the vegetal texture spray. So I'm going to throw that in there as well. So I'm not going to include my opinions on those because I have none because I didn't use them. The next item was the teeth whitening system here by Super Smile. Now, I don't know if this worked because I've used so many whitening products recently that my teeth are pretty white as it is. After about a week of using this, my teeth started hurting, so I had to stop. So I don't really have a great opinion. I don't have a bad opinion, but for me, this product itself wasn't doing it. So the next item we have is this Protect Me Defense Facial Moisturizer. This I absolutely loved. It's got SPF 30 in it, and I love moisturizers with SPF in it. As fair and white as I am, this is an added bonus. And this is also formulated for sweating skin. So this is also good on a hot, sweaty day. So I liked that. And then there was this, was it Botanical Hyaluronic Acid Vitamin E Instant Eye Repair Serum. You really need very, very little of this. I made that mistake the first time. It did kind of irritate my eyes a little bit, but that's just because I have really sensitive skin and sensitive eyes. Other than that, I do really like this. I think if you're just a little bit sensitive, they're not going to bother you. I'm on the more extreme side, so it's more of an issue for me, but I do really like this. The last item was this Pore White Cake Pack. Now this does have peppermint in it, and I did find that I could use it maybe once a week and it did the job and it felt great and it was wonderful. This is too strong for my skin to use regularly, but if you have like acne problems and stuff like that, you could probably use this more. But for me, myself, because of my sensitive skin, I cannot use it more than once a week. So out of these products, this was a yes, this was a yes, this was a yes, and this was a yes. So the teeth whitening thing and the butt thing was a no. So that is a 4 out of 6. So this was kind of borderline for me this month. So hopefully next one will be better. Let me know what your favorite products are below. If there's something you think you're going to try, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I hope to see you in the next video.